Be honest with me. When was the last time you bought a dozen red roses, or actually received some? But if you're anything like me, you find them fussy, thorny, and a bit of a cliché. However, the Victorians knew better. They had a secret code called Floriography, the language of flowers. They used it to send messages of love, friendship and devotion that they couldn't say out loud. Today I'm banning the boring red rose. Instead I'm giving you 10 secret love flowers that actually thrive here in our UK gardens, meaning you can grow a bouquet that speaks volumes. First up we have the true king of the garden, the peony. In Victorian flower language, this didn't just mean love, it specifically symbolised a happy marriage or prosperity. Why is this better than a rose? A rose demands constant attention, pruning, feeding, spraying. A peony? It's a survivor. Once established, these plants can outlive us, surviving for up to 100 years. My top tip for gardeners is patience. Peonies hate being moved. Pick a sunny spot, shallow plant it, and leave it alone. It's a marriage, remember, you're in it for the long haul. Next, the humble sweet pea. The Victorians assigned this a bittersweet meaning. Thank you for a lovely time, or blissful pleasure. It's the perfect flower for deep friendship or a new romance. I'd take the scent of a sweet pea over a modern rose any day. And here's the gardening magic. The more love you can give them, the more they give back. You have to pick them. If you leave the seed pods, they stop blooming. So pick a bouquet every single morning. Now let's look down at the border to the little pansy. The name comes from the French word Pansy, meaning thought. So giving these meant simply, I'm thinking of you. Roses are fair weather friends, and they only show up in the summer. But pansies and violas, they are there for you in the cold dark days of autumn and early spring. They offer colour when everything else is grey. Pop them in a pot by your front door so your guests know when they arrive they're thought of. Number 4 is the Peruvian lily, or Alstroemeria. Look at the leaves. They actually twist upside down as they grow. Because of this twisting, they symbolise devotion or mutual support, weathering the turns of life together. This is the ultimate friendship flower because it just lasts. A rose might give you a few days in a vase. Alstroemeria gives you up to 2 weeks. But just remember the golden rule when harvesting, don't cut the stems. Grasp them at the base and pull firmly. It shocks the plant into producing even more stems. Number 5 is the dianthus or pink carnation. While yellow ones meant disdain, and we steer clear of those, the pink ones meant I will never forget you. It's a symbol of undying memory. People think carnations are cheap petrol station flowers, but garden pinks are different. They have an incredible clove scent, pure spice. They absolutely hate having wet feet. So if you garden with heavy clay, add plenty of grit or stick them in a raised bed or rockery. They'll love the drainage. Number 6 can be a bit of an obsession, the heliotrope. The name literally means turns towards the sun, because the flowers follow the sun across the sky. From this, the Victorians said it meant eternal love or devoted affection. The reason you grow this isn't just for the folklore, it's the smell. It smells exactly like cherry pie with a hint of vanilla. However, it's tender here in the UK, so you can treat it as a summer bedding plant or keep it in a greenhouse over winter. But for that scent, it's well worth the extra effort. Number 7 is fit for royalty, Myrtle. In fact, every royal bride since Queen Victoria, including our late Queen, has carried a sprig of myrtle in her bouquet. It means good luck and love in marriage. It's an evergreen shrub and gives your garden structure when the roses are bare, thorny and sticks in winter. It can be a bit borderline in terms of hardiness, so give it a sheltered wall to sit against, or keep it in a pot that you can move inside. Number 8 is Jasmine, specifically the white jasmine. This symbolised amiability or sweet love. This is an antidote to an ugly garden fence. It's vigorous and it covers a multitude of sins. And the scent, well, it's legendary. But here's the trick. Plant it near a window or your patio seating. It's the perfect companion for a drink of wine in the garden at sunset. Number 9 needs no translation, the forget-me-not. The legend says a knight fell into a river while picking these for his love, shouting, "Forget-me-not," as he was swept away. It's a bit dramatic, but the meaning is pure, true love and memories. I love these because they are the ultimate free gardening plant. They self-seed everywhere, filling the gap in May before the summer perennials wake up. Let them roam wild under your shrubs, and they'll create a blue carpet that looks magical and costs you absolutely nothing. And finally, number 10. If you want a climber but hate the thorns of a climbing rose, you need honeysuckle. Victorians loved how the stems physically twist and bind around their support, so they gave it the meaning of devoted affection or bonds of love. Unlike roses that crave baking hot sun, honeysuckle is a woodland plant at heart. It's actually happy to have its roots in the shade and its head in the sun. So if you have a tricky, darker corner of the garden, This is your romantic saviour. So there you have it, 10 flowers that say I love you, I'm thinking of you, or I'm devoted to you. All without a single thorn inside. I'd love to know, if you could pick only one of these to send a secret message to someone, which one would it be? Let me know in the comments below. From everyone at the Bear in the Garden channel, thanks for joining us in the garden, and until next time.
I see you struggle like butterflies in water, can't keep moving forward. I see your shoulders weighted down by armor. You don't need that protection. I would walk on glass, I would run 10,000 miles and more. I would give my eyes. If you lost your sight, I would run through fire. I would carry you through the heat. I would do it all again. If you needed me to, wish that I could take away your pain like sunbeams in the rain. Oh, we're family. Wherever you go, I'll follow. Whatever you do, I'll handle. I will walk on glass, I will run 10,000 miles and more. I will give my eyes. If you lost your sight, I will run through fire. I will carry you through the heat. I will do it all again. If you needed me to, I'll do it all over again. I'll do it all over again. I will run through fire. I will carry you